Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Sears Tower Challenger on the bench. This is really a Smith Corona Corsair. So it seems like these little machines, I don't know why it is, the letter A is out of alignment. I don't know why it's always the letter A. I don't understand, but we're going to try to at least fix this a little bit. So there's the A, and it's a little low. So if we type some other letters with the A, it's just a little bit low. I'm going to try to do this without messing things up too bad. Capitals just a little bit low, but not much. So what I'm going to try to do here is adjust this with Typebar bender tool here, and I'm going to try to bend this upward just a little bit. So I've already checked this type slug and made sure it wasn't loose or anything cracked here. It's all solid. It's never been resoldered, and it looks solid. So sometimes that can be a problem, but it's not in this case. So I need to put this tool in here, and it's kind of a tight fit for a portable, but it should fit. There it goes, just like that. So what I'm trying to do is bend this type bar up, the type face, type slug area up just a little bit. And so I'm going to try to, and I don't know if this is going to work. It's not grabbing the type bar. Just closes before it does any kind of pressure. It doesn't want to work. Let me try. I have another tool over here. Let's see if I can find it. Just have it down here. Okay, I found another one. Let's see if this one fits a little better. So let's see. I think it's got the same. That's not working either. Well, none of those are working. They just will not fit on this small machine. It needs to go. It's not going to fit. Kind of fits that way if you want to go down. So I suppose I could switch this around and try to get it to fit on the inside. Well, that's down. Let's try this way. Okay, well that is about. You have to go down further. Okay, well that's got some. Okay, I'm going to try this. Just try it at just a fraction. So I sure don't want to go very far. That has definitely got it better. If you look at the N right there, A-N, like the word ban right there. That was a little tricky, but I got it a little better. Let's try capitals here. It's looking pretty good. Alright, well I was able to get it just a little bit, which is what I wanted, compared to those. Those are a little better. Alright, that was took a little trickery to get that tool to fit in there just right, but it worked. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.